Hey guys, today I'm back with these Killer Bride inspired nails. Yeah, imagine a bride murdering her groom on the wedding day. That's so gruesome. Love it! I actually painted these nails last year, but I lost all the footage when I transferred it to my hard drive. So I repainted them this year because I loved it so much and I loved how these came out. So if you want how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails with this light grey colour. I thought it'd be perfect to go underneath the lace to be the wedding dress. It's from Moyu London. I'll leave links in the description box below. Here I am with my Moyu London lace stamping plate. I'm just stamping this pretty pattern in white. And then I stamped that design on all 4 of my nails. Well, if you were normal, you'd paint all 5. And there you go, that's what that looks like. I'm trying to cover it up because my camera's so bright, but there you go, if you can see the design on the white on the lace. And then I just went in with my brush and acetone to clean around my nail. And then with my Moyu London Comics 03 plate, I just stamped this gun. I used this gun in my Black Widow nails. And then I just painted the top of the gun with a metallic silver polish. And then I painted the bottom with a dark cream grey. Left that to the side to dry, and while it was doing that I applied a coat of my sticky base. And then I just stamped that on my middle finger. And then for my index and pinky fingers I applied some liquid latex because this red polish is going to stain the hell out of my cuticles if it went in it. So with my Moyu London Halloween 03 plate, I'm just stamping this blood drip pattern. And then I stamp it at the top of my cuticles as if my cuticles were bleeding. And there you go. You see what I mean if I got stuck in that without the liquid latex. So now I'm just digging in the tool to remove the liquid latex from my cuticle. And then I just peeled off the liquid latex. And then I went back in with that comic plate and a red stamping polish and I just stamped the hands. So it could be like a bloody handprint on a dress. And I stamped that on my ring finger. Imagine him pleading for mercy, please don't kill me, and then he reaches out and grabs a dress. Ugh, gruesome, love it. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Killer Bride nails, and I've already said that I loved it when I painted these last year, and I love them even more this year. They look so much better. If you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!